you're experiencing approval delays on Discord, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak connection can cause delays in communication and approval processes on Discord. Step 2. Refresh the application. Close and reopen the Discord application or refresh the web page if you're using Discord in a browser. This can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing delays. Step 3. Verify server status. Visit Discord's status page or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If there are, you may need to wait until Discord resolves these problems. Step 4. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Discord's support team. Provide them with details about the approval delay, including any relevant screenshots or error messages. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any responses. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve approval delays on Discord efficiently. If problems continue, staying in touch with support is key to finding a solution.